In this video, we are going to review the new RxVantage Event Boost product. As you are likely aware, it's more important than ever for providers to stay up to date on the latest treatments and therapies. Peer-led speaker programs and other events play an important role in providing this knowledge. However, promoting, finding, and RSVPing to these types of events can be challenging and cumbersome. RxVantage Event Boost works to make this process easier for everyone involved. To start using the new RxVantage Event Boost product, you'll find the event landing page on the left-hand navigation sidebar. From here, you can create new events or make modifications to existing ones. You can click the Create Event button, and from there, you'll be able to start the process of building out and creating your first event. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to click into an event I've already created. As you can see, you can easily add the pre-approved title and details your invitees will want to be aware of, like the date and time, the location, who they can contact for any questions or additional information, and other important info like an event description and attachments that may be relevant to your program. You'll even be able to add specialties for better discoverability and include a registration link if that is a requirement in order for your invitees to be able to attend the event. Once you've covered all the required details, you can then start building out supplemental information like event speakers so that your invitees know who will be speaking at your event. You can also build out and customize your guest list. You can use an attachment like an Excel or CSV file and upload your guests that way, or you can search across the RxVantage network by name, NPI, zip code, or specialty. As you build out your guest list, you'll have the option to delete invitees or add new ones before submitting your event for review. After you've completed that step, you'll move over to the Advanced Settings section, which is where you'll be able to customize the date and time your event will go live on the platform, which is also when invitations will be sent. You'll also have the ability to adjust your privacy settings. You might want your event to be visible to all RxVantage Office users, or only visible to those guests you'd invite directly. Lastly, you can work through how you want to be notified of RSVP responses, and even if your guests can see who else has been invited and how those guests have RSVP'd to the particular event. Once you've completed all the required and optional fields, you can then submit the event to RxVantage to review. From your event request dashboard, you'll be able to make any modifications, view the statuses of all of your events, and see how many people have been invited and how many have RSVP'd as attending. Once you've submitted an event for review, our events team will look over your submission to be sure it's ready to go. They'll reach out to you for any additional information that may be required. Now let's review how your event will appear to providers and office users on the RxVantage platform. As you can see, all the information that you provided about your event is neatly organized into various tabs. The Event Details tab shows all of the details that you provided when you built out this event from your profile. When creating the event, if you used the same email address for the point of contact that you used to create your RxVantage account, then your invitees will be able to click the message button to send a message directly from within the platform. From there, you can answer any questions and send responses back to the individual through your account. At any time, an invitee can take action by saying they will not attend, will attend, or they can set a reminder to take action at a later time. The Attendees tab can be visible or it can be completely hidden, and it's totally up to you as the event creator. It's also up to you to show if attendees will have visibility into how other invitees have responded. If your event has a physical location, there will be an interactive Google Maps shown on a separate tab so that the invitee can click the Get Directions button, which will then open up Google Maps in a separate tab. From the My Schedule tab, invitees have visibility into how the event aligns with other in-office or virtual rep appointments on the RxVantage calendar, or any other events that they have RSVP'd as attending to through RxVantage that happen to fall on this same date of the event. If the invitee chooses to say that they are going to attend and registration is required, they will be prompted to follow the link to complete the required registration process. Additionally, the attendees will receive reminders about any upcoming events they have RSVP'd as attending to. Now let's review a few frequently asked questions. And remember, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our customer support team at any time. They can be contacted by emailing support@rxvantage.com.